Okay, I'm going to do this video going over the review sheet for the Module 3. So it's the Module 3 review sheet on multi-digit multiplication and division. So you'll take a look. Take a look here. Number 1 is asking you, what is the greatest multiple of 8 that is less than 70? All right. So for this one, all you need to do is now your uh, list your multiples of 8. All right. I'm just getting the right pen in here. So let's list our multiples of 8. We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8 is 64. And if we did 8 times 9 would be 72, but that's not less than 70. So the greatest multiple of 8, less than 70, would be 64. Just skip counting right there. Okay, so that would be 64. We know multiples are just taking a number and skip counting by that number. Okay, so that is number 1. Now we go to number 2. What is the difference between a prime number and a composite number? And then you're going to give an example of each. So we have spent plenty of time going over this in class. A prime number here is a number that has 2 factors, 1 and itself, and that's it. Every single number has 2 factors, at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. But a prime number, those are the only 2 factors that it has. So can't really fit it inside that box. But a prime number has, I'll write it in word form, has 2 factors only. And it's 1 and itself. Okay, and that is it. Okay, an example of a prime number would be 17. Okay, the number 17 only has 2 factors, 1 and 17. That is it. You cannot multiply any other 2 whole numbers together to get 17. So that's a prime number. Underneath it, composite. Okay, a composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors. Okay, so for composite, I'm going to go here, has more than 2 factors. All right, so let's give an example. So if I go to the number 16, okay, the number 16 is a composite number. You start with its automatics, I call them, 1 and 16, because 1 times 16 is 16. And what else? Well, it could be 2 and 8. 2 times 8 gives me 16, right? Or 4 times 4. You only need to put one of the 4s. So 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 are the factors of 16. Okay? I'm going to erase that. All right, so I'm going to leave that there because now we're going to go to number 3. All right, so when we look at number 3, it says 36. I'm going to erase. Let me erase everything on the side. This pen. There we go. All right, I'll erase this. I'll leave that in the chart. 36 cookies came in a box at Costco. If 4 people had to share 3 boxes equally, how many cookies would each person receive? Well, we know that there are 36 cookies come in a box. All right, that's important. If 4 people had to share 3 boxes equally, well, we know we have we're sharing 3 boxes equally. All right, so this is 36 cookies are in one box. Okay, so 3 boxes would be 36 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. And then 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we now have 108 cookies. Okay, because 36 came in one box, and 4 people are sharing 3 boxes equally. So there's my 3 boxes, 108 cookies. And if 4 people are sharing them, I'm going to take my 108 cookies. I'm going to divide that by 4. Okay, 4 can't go into 1, but 4 can go into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Let's subtract 2, bring down the 8. 4 goes into 28 7 times. So how many cookies would each person get? 27 cookies.